I don't know what to do.
Babe, how far with your dad's threats on moving Ali to Kirikiri?
I'm scared. Nicole, I'm scared to death.
I blame you in all this.
I don't understand. You blame me? How? Why?
You should have told him about your dad before now.
Nicole, I had my reasons now.
Which is?
I don't know, like, if I had told him, he would get scared and then walk out of the relationship. We won't be in a relationship. So I didn't want to risk it.
God. Listen, babe. That guy must not go to prison over a false allegation your dad made.
I know, Nicole, and I'm doing everything within my power to make sure that he's out of there.
I keep saying it. If you had listened to me and walked away, when you found out that this guy derives so much joy in hating you, all this thing would have been avoided. Huh? Just look at it. What if he gets poisoned in cell?
Gets poisoned? That would be my dad's undoing.
God, listen, fretting about this won't help. All you need to do now is to stop your father. Okay?
I'm trying. I'm thinking.
We are invisible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do.
So, like play now, this is how Chief Gomez wants to waste this guy in that police cell. No. Something has to be done to avoid the story that touches the heart. I think this is where I will have to come in. Yeah. Hello. Barrister, good morning. Sorry, are you at your chamber now? Oh, you're driving to your chamber. How long will it take you to get there? All right, I will meet you there. I'll meet you there. Okay. Thank you.
I remember the laughter, I remember the tears, the fight, the memories we created.
What of those two suspects yesterday now?
Those criminals?
Yes.
They did it.
Okay.
And what of the file yesterday? Are you done with it?
The file, I'm almost done, sir. I'm almost done. Just give me some minutes, sir.
Please.
Jennifer, you're welcome.
Thank you. Please, I'm begging you. I need to see the person you arrested, please.
Auntie Jennifer, Oga said we should not allow you to see those two people.
Those two people.
Yeah, you can't see them.
I can't see them. Okay, please. See, listen to me now, I'm begging you. Let me see them. Those two people now, they are the reason I'm here. Let me see them, please. I beg you in the name of God.
Lock up. Sir, go and bring them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Go fast about it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me see. This one.
What? Stan! Alan! Stan, what are you doing here? Alan, what is Stan doing here? Please, what is he doing here? Why is he here? Why did you detain him?
Your father, Chief Gomez, asked us to detain him.
What? On what grounds? What did he do to you people? What did he do? Stan, what did you... Alan, please, what's happening? Why is he here with you?
Stan came to bail me. And, your father instructed them to detain him as well. So kindly ask your father to at least release him.
And you people detained him. You detained him for no just cause. You detained him because you were giving the orders to. Stan, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Stan, please. Alan, I'll see you people, okay? I'll be back. Please.
Auntie Jennifer, don't just put me for trouble. You, take them in.
Okay.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
Commissioner, I can't stand it. You know, I can't stand the fact that that idiot raped my daughter.
You are a politician, right? Who seems to have everything he has just to satisfy his whim and fantasies, not so? Almighty Chief Gomez, not so? So what? Is it not?
Commissioner, please, can I call you back? Thank you. Jennifer, what brand of madness has gotten over you that you have to talk to me rudely? Do you know who I was speaking with?
Do I look like I care? No! Excuse me, sir. Do I look like I care? If you like, be on phone with the president. I don't give a hoot!
What has come over you? No, just tell me what has come over you that I have become your enemy that is trying to protect you.
I begged you. Sir, Chief Gomez, I begged you. Did I not? I begged you to release Alan. Did I not beg you? Answer me, did I not beg you?
No one messes with the daughter of Chief Dr. Gomez.
Oh, really? Look at you. No one messes with the daughter. And you even got the police to arrest his friend Stanley. What has Stanley done?
Because he's an accomplice.
Accomplice to what exactly? Accomplice to what? No, tell me. What is Stanley's offense? Stanley was not even there when I was having the fight with Alan. So accomplice to what exactly? Answer me, sir.
Now go inside. Go inside and let me handle the Nikon Pope myself. I said go inside. Jennifer, leave my presence. I said leave my presence.
I am not leaving, sir. I said I am not leaving until you get on phone with those police and ask them to release Alan and Stanley.
What right do you have to order me around in my house? Are you mad? I am Chief Dr. Gomez and nobody does that in my house.
Okay, sir. But just understand that you have 1 hour. You have 1 hour to get those boys released and also drop your false charges else.
Jennifer. Jennifer, you telling me yes?
Don't dare me. Please, I beg you, don't dare me.
Jennifer.
Don't dare me.
I should not dare you. You have the temerity to talk to your father like that? That I should not dare you? Okay, Jennifer, I dare you! I dare you right now!
Sir, I do not make threats. The only thing I make is promises. And I am promising you now, if you do not get them released in 1 hour, you will not like the sound of it. Thank you and God bless you. Rubbish. I said my own. Rubbish.
What's going on? Her mother's stubbornness wasn't this bad. What's going on? I can hear a voice of blackmail. What could that be? What could that be? Jennifer shouting at me. Jennifer shouting at me. Something is wrong.
Daddy, why did you not do as I've instructed? I gave an instruction that Allen and Stanley be released, but it hasn't been carried out. Why?
Is that your welcome? You're asking me stupid questions? Well, for your information, Allen and Stanley will be moved to Kirikiri tomorrow morning. I guess that's beautiful for you.
I don't mind. I don't mind at all. But if anything happens to those boys, the world will know exactly how you killed Mom, your wife, and you buried her. I'm not joking. No, I'm not. You killed her, not so. No, please answer me. Just give me. True or false, did you not kill her?
Jennifer.
What is Jennifer? What is Jennifer? I saw you commit the dastard act. You killed a pregnant woman and you buried her. Not so. Oh, I can see the surprise written all over your face. Listen and listen very, very good. Those boys, they need to be safe. But it is either those boys are out and you're safe, I'll keep short, or they're in prison and you go to jail for murder. Thank you, and God bless you, Chief Gomez.
Must you sleep with everything in skirt? Must you?
You are pushing your luck too far. You're pushing your luck too far. You started again.
For crying out loud, I am pregnant. I am pregnant with our second child and you're still sleeping around. Gomez, what's the color of your problem? Tell me. What do you want in life? Tell me.
Abigail, if you do not like my lifestyle, pack your things and leave my life.
Leave? I am going nowhere. I am going nowhere with this pregnancy. Not for anyone.
Then stop meddling in my affairs.
Then concentrate on your family.
Concentrate.
Yes!
Family. Did you say family? Is this a family?
What?
I need you to educate me. Is this a family? Tell me.
Is this what I get? I gave my life and future for you. And now, you told me I was your everything. What happened?
I laugh. I laugh because you took a man seriously who was in a high passion of a man who was about to release and saying all these things to make you feel good, to make himself feel good, and at the end of the day, return back to Cloud 9, and you are taking that seriously. You taking me seriously? I think you don't have sense there.
I can see how sensible you are. You are so shameless, Gomez. You are more shameless than I thought. Yes, you are. God! What kind of man did I get married to?
Did you just say shameless?
I said you are shameless.
That I'm shameless?
Yes.
Chief Dr. Gomez, shameless?
Yes.
I could go into my wardrobe, pick my gun, and blow your head off. Do you know that?
You won't do such. And if you dare it, and I promise you, you won't go away with it. You won't!
Someday I will teach you not to dare me. Then I know you will be in hell, wondering how you got there.
I dare you do your worst.
Give me food, I want to talk.
What?
I am hungry.
I should give you food. Did you keep money for me?
If I did not keep money, will I not eat? I want food.
Oh! You know where you're coming from. What is good for you? Just go back there and have your dinner. Because there is no food in this house. And before going, please, I want to eat.
There's plenty beer. Where I'm coming from, there's plenty beer. I should go and drink beer. Okay. Let's see.
Where do you think you're going to? Gomez, I am hungry. I am heavily pregnant. I need to eat. Jennifer has not eaten.
Jennifer, I have not. I have not. You have not. No one has eaten. I will.
I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. As the man of this house, provide food for me and my baby.
Leave me alone. I want food.
You what?
I want food to eat.
You and nobody is sleeping in this house without me eating. Nobody, not even you, not your soul, not your spirit. You will not.
You want to die.
I want to die.
You want to die.
I want to die.
You want to die.
Gomez, give me food.
You want to die. You want to die.
Gomez! Oh. Oh.
Jennifer witnessed everything that I did that night. I imagined the question she started to ask the next morning.
Dad, where is Mom? Dad. Dad, I haven't seen her since morning. To brush my teeth, to bathe me, to give me breakfast, to prepare me for school. Dad, you're crying.
No.
Did anything happen to Mom?
No. No.
Then where is she?
You asked so many questions. I took her to the hospital.
You took her to the hospital after shooting her.
No. No, I didn't shoot her.
I saw you. When is she coming back with my brother? Dad, why are you not answering? Please take me to where you took my mom and brother too. I want to see them.
How come Jennifer still remembers this, despite the fact that she was still very young? I don't want to go to jail for murder. I think this is about the time that I did what I should have done years ago.
I'm begging you, your men need to be here. They need to be here before we do something unimaginable. Hey, are you not getting what I'm saying? Please now, I'm begging you. What is wrong with you, please?
Who are you? Call. Tell me, who are you speaking with? Can I have that phone? Can I have the phone, Jennifer? Can I have the phone?
Here.
What I am about to do now is what I should have done many years ago. I thought you were too naive, too young to understand what transpired between me and Abigail, your mother. Now, I know I was wrong.
So what do you want to do now?
You want to know what I want to do now?
Yes, I want to know.
I want to kill you.
Okay.
The same way I did to that stupid woman, your mother.
I can see you're trigger happy. No, you're a murderer. You want to kill your own daughter, not so? Kill me. Kill me and remain miserable for the rest of your life.
Jennifer, do not mess with me. I'll kill anyone who tries to stand on my way.
Just like you killed my mother, right? And you think you can get away with the law? You should bow your head in shame.
I can see you have taken the stubbornness of your mother. And you have decided to go the same way she did. And I'm going to end it right here and now. Come. I'll do anything.
Hold it there. I said drop that weapon. Drop your weapon. For your information, the whole area has been fortified with our men. If you try any nonsense, I will blow off your head.
Please give me my phone.
Chief Gomez, you are under arrest for the murder of your wife, Abigail. Not only that, for trying to murder your own daughter. I advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move. I say move! Move and stop wasting my time! Move! Move! Now you are safe.
Chief Gomez, those who make the law are supposed to abide by the law. For all the pain you caused me, and for killing my mother with her unborn child, you will rot in hell. Rubbish.
This is preposterous. Your dad killed your mom? Oh, baby, you kept this for so long. Oh God. To think that the man who you call a father, who we all thought was protecting you from Alan, was the one who tried to shoot you? I knew there was something off about him when he forcefully accused Alan of rape and threatened to send him to Kirikiri, awaiting trial. Babe, so what are you going to do now? Because I know your dad is not coming out anytime soon.
I don't know. I'll just travel to the States.
What? So, what happened to the relationship with you and Alan?
Nicole, please. Alan and I are done. We're done. He's the reason I'm in this mess. Can't you see? I just need to get away. Like, just move away and clear my head. I need to be in order. I need my mental health in order.
Jennifer, you and I know that Alan loves you so much. Just that he's having insecurity issues.
And I don't care. Insecurity issues, my foot, I don't care. He's the reason my dad is in prison. I locked my dad in prison because of him. Can't you see it? I need to get away from everything that would remind me of what I did to my dad. Get away from everybody.
I know about that, but I must be sincere with you. Your father is not a good man.
Oh, please, shush it. I beg you in the name of God, Nicole. Please. My father what? My father is bad. I know that already and I told you he's bad.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering.
I can't believe Chief Gomez was arrested last night for the murder of his wife, Jennifer's mother. He even tried to kill Jennifer for threatening to expose him to the police. That man is really dangerous. The police would have thrown me in jail for rape, a crime I never committed. But Jennifer saved me. She brought out a secret she had kept for 27 years.
But our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. But our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do.
What are you doing here? No. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry for everything I have done. Please forgive me.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Are you being serious right now?
I'm here to say I messed up. And I promise you, if you give me one more chance, I'll never mess up again.
Why are you here to say you're sorry when things have gotten out of hand?
I am a changed person.
You're a changed what? A changed what?
Please, Jennifer, I know I messed up. I promise you I'll never do them again.
No, you can always do them. No, you should continue with the way you're changed.
I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're changed. I'm tired.
Jennifer,
I'm tired. Please, just don't touch me.
Jennifer, listen. I'm so ashamed of myself, but I promise you I'll never do that again. Just give me a chance to prove.
Alan, leave my house. Do you understand me? Leave my house.
Please, hold on. I love you. I still love you. I still do. I'll always love you with all my heart.
Sick in the head.
Excuse
me.
Jennifer, wait.
Don't touch me.
But now it's just an echo, a distant fading sound. I'm just here wondering, alone. I'm just here wondering, alone. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums.
Hello? Hi, Nicole. So sorry, please. I'm so sorry for everything. I need your help. What? You can't help me. Why? Bro, please, I'm so sorry. Listen, it was a devil. I didn't know what came over me, but please, I need your help. Who? Jennifer is leaving the country? Are you serious?
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you say I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away.
What is it? I don't understand you. What's your problem?
Jennifer, I was told you're leaving the country. Do you want to leave me behind? You can't do this to me, no. No. You can't leave the country without me. Please, don't go. I just spoke to your friend now and she told me that you're leaving the country, that you're leaving me.
Alan, it's late. It's late. I'm an only child. I wanted to have a sibling and then a brother came, but he died. My dad killed them both. Reason I wanted you to be a brother to me. I just wanted you to love me. I wanted you to just love me for who I am, be who you are. I didn't even want you to know where I lived. I didn't even want you to know who my dad is. Can't you see that I was trying my best to just make sure that I am the real me with you?
Jennifer, please.
What is Jennifer, Alan? What is Jennifer? Why are you calling me? Can you not see that things are already... Please, I don't know. You messed things up a whole lot. I don't know what to do with you. I kept on begging you. Don't touch me. Don't hit me. But still, when you do that, I'm still there. I still cook for you. I still wash your clothes for you. I still pet you like my man, hoping that one day you will change, but no.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry, please.
I promise I'll never do that. Listen to me.
No, you're promising now, but I'm scared already because I know you will do it. You cannot change.
I'm ashamed of myself, Jennifer. I'm not perfect, but I'm here saying to you that you can't leave me. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to kill myself?
Alan, my dad is in jail already, and it's because of you.
Okay.
It's because I love you. That's why I put my dad in jail, so you'll be free.
Hold on. Can we start all over?
No, we can't. We cannot. I'm scared. I can't stay with you in the same room. Even here, I'm scared because anything might happen. Alan, please, just go. Just take your bad attitude somewhere else. And then if you decide to change, to God be the glory for the next person who would see you and then love you. Excuse me, please. Please,
sorry.
just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone.
Alan, you can't continue like this.
Stan, I'm afraid. I'm scared to start a new relationship as a result of my past.
What exactly are you scared of? Why can't you get over that girl, Jennifer?
I still love her. I can't get my mind off her.
Alan, listen. As far as I'm concerned, she is your ex. Yes. Move on with your life.
I can't move on.
Why? Let me tell you, if I'm to advise you, you don't even know if she has found someone else over there in America and you are here killing yourself. Move on with your life. She's gone.
Listen to me. Jennifer cannot be compared to anyone else. I've been with all kinds of women, and trust me, I'll choose her over and over again. I will.
No matter how you paint it, no matter how you romance the word, no matter how you nurse the word, you've lost her. She is gone. Yes. The best thing you can do is to go out there, look for another beautiful girl. There are so many fishes in the ocean. You are handsome, you are rich. Yes. What is holding you?
If I have or had the opportunity to make a choice or wish for anything in life, I'd wish for Jennifer to come back to me. I would want to shut my eyes, and when I open them, I want to see her right in front of me.
Alan, this is no time for witches. If witches were horses, beggars would ride. Do you know my wish? If I am to wish and close my eye, I will see Rihanna standing before me. That's my wish. And you and I know that it will never happen. So face reality. Move on. Forget about someone that is gone. Okay? Move on with your life.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
Hey, babe. Look at you, you're glowing. With this Niger weather. No, you can't draw comparison. Come on. The weather in abroad is fairer than it is here in Nigeria. Believe me. So how are you doing?
Just trying to get to my
I understand. I know what you're going through.
My dad has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for no option of fine. You can see I'm going through a traumatic experience. It's just me against the
It's okay.
I blame myself.
Jennifer, it's not your fault.
Yes, if I had done the way you had when you believe absolutely more than
Let's look at it this way. It could be the spirit of your late mom crying for justice. Yes, I know so. Even Alan is finding it difficult to move on. I mean, he still thinks about you. Why is it that each time I mention Alice's name, it's either she locks out or she'll hang up on me? It's alright.
This is mental confusion.
I can't wrap my head around watching you do this to yourself.
Stan, you won't understand.
Right now, I don't even want to understand. You know what? I am going to matchmake you with my distant cousin. Yes, she's very pretty.
What kind of a friend are you?
The kind of friend that have his best friend interest at heart. Let me tell you, Georgina is a wonderful soul. I bet you will fall in love with her at first sight.
Hold on, Stan. So my relationship with Jennifer hit the rocks and all you can do is matchmaking me with your cousin?
For God's sake, this is 1 year. Jennifer left you, my guy. Move on. What do you want to do to yourself? Do you want to kill yourself because of Jennifer? She's gone, she's gone. This is 1 year. Sometimes I ask myself, how do you maneuver midnight crisis? How do you do it? How do you face the crisis? Early morning erection, don't you have it? Are you sure you're still a man? What are you doing to yourself? Sometimes I get scared of coming close to you before you start seeing me as a sexy girl. What is wrong with you? You are a man, you have feelings. Or if what you have done there is no longer working, tell me, I will suggest drugs for you. I cover my back with the blood of Jesus. He's not even shaking. Only you know what your problem is.
We are invincible.
Alan. Gina. Alan.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's my beautiful cousin I told you about. Gina,
What?
the girl I told you about. Oh,
James. Where are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Please, what can I offer you?
A glass of water.
A glass of water. That's what you want?
Yeah.
Alright. Cold, room temperature?
Room temperature.
Alright, that's fine. Get it for you. Just a minute. Glass of water.
It's you I want, not the water.
Sorry, you said you wanted a glass of water earlier.
I want you.
Oh, wait, hold on. What?
I want you.
You want me how?
Yeah, it's you I want. Meanwhile, I enjoyed you. You were so good in bed. Miss, can you come help me fix my button?
Okay. Yeah, done. Can I get your account details so I can transfer some money to you? Money for taxi.
I'm not here for the money.
What?
I like you, Alan. My brother told me a lot of good things about you.
You don't understand. I need to pay for taxi. Can I get your details, please?
I'm fine. Okay? I need to leave.
I want to pay for your taxi.
I said I'm okay. Besides, I am not a hookup girl. I need to leave. Bye. Take care.
What the hell just happened? Stan, who is Georgina?
I have told you before. Georgina is my distant cousin.
What does she do for a living?
She's an online marketer.
Online marketer?
Yes.
What else does she do?
I have told you what she does for a living. What else do you want to know?
Cut the pretense, man. What else does she do?
I've already told you what she does for a living. She's an online marketer.
Okay.
Did you guys do it?
Do what? Oh, she told you already. Stan, cut the pretense. She told you already.
Told me what?
Your cousin is a whore. Do you know that? She is a horse in bed.
My cousin is a whore? For helping you?
Helping me? Is that what you have to say? Your cousin is a siren in bed.
Listen, Alan, no. I will not have you tongue latch my cousin before me. No, I can't take it, please.
Okay.
She's my cousin, please.
Get into the car, let's go. Your cousin is a horse. She's a siren in bed.
What are you watching?
Put your leg down.
What is wrong with me crossing my legs?
I said sit properly. What happened that day was a mistake. It will never happen again.
But you enjoyed the woman in me. The experience was awesome. Alan, I love you.
Leave my house.
Alan, you can't possibly ask me to leave your house. I thought you and I already have something going on.
There's nothing going on between us. Please, just leave.